What's the meaning of bole? Bole. Bole.
Bole. Bole. The word bole has multiple meanings depending on its context, but one of its most common meanings is a type of clay used in pottery. This clay is known for its plasticity and ability to maintain shape during firing. Bole can also refer to the trunk of a tree or the stem of a plant, as well as being a term used in horology, the study of timekeeping, describing a type of balance wheel used in watches. In summary, bole can refer to a type of clay, a part of a plant or tree, or a component of a watch.